国际消息，咱来看纽西兰海军有一只海洋的探测舰，台湾时间7:30暝时阵，伫咧南太平洋的外海执行任务。不过，唔知什么原因，煞向导火。2点钟了后，规只船全咧沉去。加在船顶75个军人，也个民间的人员是拢有救起来，并无造成伤亡。
I can confirm at 6:40 a.m. today, the ship was listing heavily, and smoke was visible from a ship. At 9 a.m., it was known to have capsized and is now below the surface.
排水量5700多吨的马纳瓦鲁1号，原本是挪威一间能源公司负责伫海上探勘石油甲天然气的船只。2003年落水，纽西兰政府伫2019年为着汰换海军老旧的探测舰，向挪威业者买入了后改装。2020年重新复役，用来探测海洋水文甲生态。纽西兰官员指出，马纳瓦鲁1号航派前往的南太平洋岛国萨摩亚，当地海协会1987年以来都无互详细探勘过。经过几啊年的巨风海中侵袭，海底水文甲生态状况不明，需要详细调查。马纳瓦鲁1号执行任务的时，伫离海岸1海里的所在发生扩大了后导火沉船的事故。
At this stage, the exact cause of the grounding is unknown, and this will need further investigation. I can confirm there were 75 people on board at the time the ship ran aground, including 7 civilians from scientific agencies and 4 foreign military personnel.
纽西兰军方表示，获救的人员先伫萨摩亚临时安置，随后会送回纽西兰。另外，沉落去的探测舰除了调查确实事故的原因，纽国军方也准备尽可能将残骸打入出水，以免留伫海底，进一步伤害海洋生态。公司新闻旗家人编译。